Welcome to my YouTube channel, Road Rider. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 1868 cca. Beast on two wheels that blends raw attitude with modern performance in a signature Harley silhouette. Buckle up, grab your gear, because this will be one ride you won't forget. Let's start from the heart, the engine. The Fat Bob roars to life with a potent Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine. Displacing 1868 cc, or 114 cubic inches, roughly bike-wall Wikipedia. In older Fat Bob 114 versions, this engine delivered around 92.5 bhp at 5,020 revolutions per minute and 155 Nm torque at 3,500 revolutions per minute, via a 6-speed gearbox by Qualivistorically News. The 2025 model refines this further, with enhanced power and torque fed through refined fuel injection, thanks to that low-end grunt. City riding feels effortless, and highway cruising is an exercise in smooth, confident motion. The throttle responds crisp, twisted, and you're rewarded with a solid surge of power. Passing is easy, merging is seamless. And the signature potato V-twin rumble ensures you make an entrance wherever you go. Vicer Downcycle News. Design and build. Fat Bob's aesthetic is unapologetically bold with chunky, wide front and rear wheels, a fat front end, and minimal chrome for that dark, commanding look. Visor down. The inverted front forks and Tuna 2 exhaust system maintain the traditional bike DNA while offering modern flair. Harley-Davidson. This is Harley's muscle cruiser. Aggressive, unapologetic, and dripping with attitude. Weight and ergonomics. Clocking in at around 306 kilograms wet. For earlier models and 315 kilograms ready to ride for recent versions by Qualivised Down, the Fat Bob isn't a featherweight. But that weight contributes to stability at speed and gives it road presence that few bikes can match. That said, it demands respect, especially when threading it through tight corners or maneuvering in stop-and-go traffic. Handling and suspension. Handling is a dual-edge sword. Wide tires, 150 mm front, 180 or even 240 mm rear on some editions deliver straight-line agility. But leaning into corners means a firm counter steer and muscular rider input. Visor down +1. On the open road, as though stability reigns supreme, Visor Down's review calls it surprisingly entertaining to ride in long, sweeping curves. Visor down. In tight mountain roads, it may feel like wrestling a heavyweight, but once you get going, the Fat Bob sticks. The suspension is optimized for long-haul comfort with Showa inverted front forks and a rear monoshock with preload adjustability. Visor down +1. The setup makes highway cruising smooth, though compression over rough surfaces reveals its cruiser routes. Braking and safety, electronics and tech. The 2025 cruiser line, which includes the Fat Bob, features enhanced tech like selectable ride modes, rain, road, sport, cruise control, LED, lighting, all without losing that raw Harley flavor. Visor down. Harley-Davidson. In rain mode, throttle is soft and traction tampering ensures safety in slick conditions. Sport gives a sharper, more aggressive throttle response. With reduced intervention. Visor down. Instrumentation hasn't gone full digital. Harley keeps it analog with integrated digital readouts. Speed, fuel, gear, ABS, traction control, TPMS, riding modes, clock, range, and more displayed through an analog digital cluster. Harley-Davidson. It's intuitive, classic, and fits Fat Bob's retro muscular vibe. Price and market position. Pricing varies globally. In India, the Fat Bob 114 lists at roughly 21.5 lakh ex-room tilde. $26-27K USD bike whale. In the US, the 2025 Fat Boy model, which shares many components with Fat Bob, starts at around $22,599. Harley-Davidson +1. The Fat Bob is firmly positioned as a premium, high-presence cruiser, not bargain-priced, but riding isn't supposed to be cheap when you're commanding the road. Rider impressions. Summary. Pros: supremely iconic design and road presence, strong performance and torque from Milwaukee-Eight. 117 comfortable ergonomics for open road cruising, contemporary tech options, ride modes. Cruise, led without losing the analog soul verdict. If you're drawn to motorcycles that loudly command attention, deliver big torque cruise comfort, and blend Harley heritage with modern refinements, this 2025 Fat Bob 1868cc is a standout. It's not the nimblest in a twisty canyon, but what it lacks in agility it makes up for in style, swagger, and unmistakable presence. It rides like Harley riding should, big, bold, and unapologetically alive. Now, let me know if you'd like cuts of this script tailored for shorter review segments, visual prompts for camera angles, or suggestions for B-roll. Happy to crank this direction up a notch.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next video. Peace out.